sa muli.
Aral at nagdarasal ng buong katapatan. Iaalay ko ang aking buhay ay pangarap pagsisikap sa bansang Pilipino. Okay? Tayo home. Let's have our energizer.
Oh, good morning. It's a new day, and anything can happen.
Wait,
Wake up,
energizer.
stretches. Spin to the left, spin to the right, spin to the left, spin to the right, spin to the left, spin to the right. All right, now try this. Touch the sky, lean over to the side. Touch the sky, lean over to the side. Touch the sky, lean over to the side. There you go. Come down and touch your toes. We're getting our bodies ready to go. Shake it up hard and shake it up low. Just shake, 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 shake. It's a brand new day. I'm ready to learn and play. A brand new day. Hey, hey, I'm feeling okay. Ooh, I'm starting to feel more awake now. Let's do it.
Also greeted, Nina, good afternoon. Aba, ang galing mo naman, Nico. Maaari ba akong tumulong sa iyo? Yes.
Send it to Seaside Park ASAP.
Okay. This'll be fun.
Intel, you can't get away!
Single Bill, Speedy Bill.
Pizza delivery.
Stinky sweet fruit delivery.
Sheriff Lapdor, here's your order.
What? I didn't order anything.